Incremental greetings. Let's continue the Supermemo course, the pleasurable expansion. Now it's time to set a specific forgetting index for many elements at once. Not the default, as we have seen, but one in particular. Just to let you know that this can be from 3%, up to 20% by design. So let's say that I want the topics, no, I want the items. Let me use a filter. I want items which I only did one single repetition. There are still quite a lot in this backup. Okay, 10,000. Nice. Now, it's more than I thought. So let me filter more that I lapsed. I never lapse, by the way, like this. And the priority is the first 10%. Okay, 1200. So now you know what? This is inside what I consider more critical mission for my job. So I will process the branch, the browser, forgetting index, set forgetting index, and I want 5%. Do you want to change the forgetting index of all of the browser elements? Yes. And do you see there are some conversions that were not done? 1,727 versus 1,831, because those already had 5. So if I have 5 and I want to set 5, doesn't change. That's not the case, the same case, if my default happens to be 5, it was not the case, but it was 5, what do you think will happen? It will change anyways, because what has is the DEF, a pointer to the default forgetting index of the collection on the toolkit options. So the difference is that, okay, it's 5, pointing to a 5 at the end of the day, but it's a reference, and it changes to a hard-coded 5, meaning that if now I go to the settings and change the value of the default forgetting index, it will remain a 5. It's this difference. And as easy as that. And Supermemo will adapt this per element, because there's a formula, there's a need to cover this formula. With many components and many metrics we still have to cover, but one of those is the requested forgetting index. Now it's 5. Not 8 or 10. Cool. So that's all for now. And in the next video, we'll see when you should use the effects it has, and when it's useful to set a specific value as opposed to set the default. See you in the next video.